Hello and welcome to my trusted builder, the definitive source for all your residential and commercial construction needs. Follow us as we assemble a new roof onto a construction project development site. The first step was to remove the existing garage and roof on site, build a double-storey side and rear extension, and replace with a flat rainproof roofing base with an additional weatherproof covering. Creating tiny perforations in between the joists of the roof was essential to avoid the build-up of moisture in the joists, which can damage the roofing materials. After a week's worth of hard work and calculation, and with the help of a crane, the team then proceeded with the measuring and hoisting of the timber roof trusses. The alignment of the roof structure was one of the key tasks for the team, using precise measuring to create an even, accurate and steady structure soon ready for assembly. A quarter of the trusses has now been assembled, and it is time to start fastening and fixing. Using the drawing and plans for the client as strict guidelines for assembly, the trusses are bolted together at 600mm centres. This is a very complex procedure, and a great deal of precision from the team must be ensured. To avoid further damages to the roof caused by forces of nature, it was essential that the roof was waterproof protected. Our dedicated team ensured this every night. All the doubles and trebles of the trustees were fixed in accordance with building regulations and engineer drawings. With the roof starting to take shape, our team by hand then proceed to craft the Velux window technology into the framework of the roof. With a closer look inside of the roof, 100mm thick Celotex insulation boards are now being installed to make the roof warm for energy conservation. The roof is now almost complete and is ready for tiling on the exterior. This allows for boarding to commence in the interior. And for the finishing, plain clay roof tiles are installed onto the roof. The new roof is now complete.